Going on, guys? Jakester here, bringing another food review. So let me get a good angle. There we go. So I asked around to my mini followers, hey, what do you want to see next? And you know what they said? Bet you can't guess what's in the package. The Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell. Right off the bat, it's nice and warm. Just use it as a pillow. It's really good. It smells fantastic. I haven't ate since, I don't know, lunchtime. It is now currently 9:14 p.m. on the West Coast. I'm hungry, so we're gonna dive into this bad boy. Take it as you bite. Right away I noticed a little overwhelmed by lettuce. They stuffed a lot of lettuce in this, so you really get that lettuce flavor. Just smacks you. Got some tomato. I don't know where the meat is. The meat's under here, and the cheese and the meat. I was gonna get nacho fries along with this, but I don't know why I didn't. Mistakes were made. But let's take another bite. It's really good. It's good. It's a little Mexican hamburger. You got the shell, which gives you a nice crispy flavor, texture. You can't taste crisp, but it's got a nice texture. I would like to have a little more meat. It seems to be lacking the meat. You know, it's there, but maybe it's in the center a little more. Maybe we just gotta dive in for another bite. It's a pretty good snack. You know, what more can you ask for? It's wrapped up nice, it's got crisp, it's got meat, it's got lettuce, it's got sauce. It's got everything you need to be a good meal. If I had to rate it, I'd give it a solid 7.5. It just makes you happy to eat this. It really makes you happy. So with that final bite, I bid you guys farewell. Ella, come here. Come. So does Ella. Ella's been really here. Just having a good time. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.